Alright, so what we're going to show is how to use the tool presetter on the version 11 lathe. So first we go to the input button. We're going to go to tool review and then into tool setup. And we'll go into geometry offsets and then down to the tool setter. And the first thing you're going to have to do is advance the tool setter. So you hit the button and then hit cycle start. And the tool setter will come down. The next thing you're going to do is hand wheel your tool down to the tool setter. You can do either direction first. We're going to do X. Once you get the tool close to the tool setter like it is now, you come up here on the screen and you say begin touch in the X minus direction for an OD tool. And then you hit cycle start. It'll come in and bump twice and then it should set your X diameter. And then for the Z, you move it, the tool in front of the tool setter. And then you'll do begin touch in Z minus direction and then cycle start. And then this will set the Z for your tool. And then to do a drill is basically the same thing. Take the tool setter, the turret up out of the way, and then index it around. And then for a drill, there is no X offset, only Z, so we're only going to measure the Z. So you'll bring the tool down. And then once you get the tool where you want it, you'll hit begin Z minus touch and cycle start, and then it'll start probing. And then when you're done, you move the turret back up out of the way, and then you can go to retract tool setter. And that's how you measure tools on version 11.